Okay, this is the video for the hanger jaw, chapter 4.3. Dimensions are in inches, so I would go to File, New. I'm in English here. If you weren't, you would hit this arrow, come to English, and then ANSI, Create. Go to Base View, and remember we can turn this around with the cube. I'm going to try 2. That's too much. I'm going to try 1.5. It looks pretty good. I'm going to drop the top view in, right side, isometric, right click, left click, OK. I'm going to move these up a bit. Maybe this one over a bit. Okay. Go to Annotate, center mark, click the outside of that hole. Go to Bisector, click here and there, click here and there. Now, dimension, choose the center line, and we're going to go from this flat surface here, drop that dimension in, and come over here and get my overall height, drop it in, choose the outside of that arc, and this circle, hole, drop that in, and I also want to drop in the radius and the center point there. Radius here. Now I'm going to zoom in and get that little flat part. Hit OK. Come here. The overall height there. Drop that in. Drop that out here somewhere. I need to know what the height of this should be. 3. Line it up out here. And what else? Maybe we have that. We can put an angle here. And we can put, we know the width of this because we know this is 1.5. That's got to be 3. Same here, that would be 3. Trying to make sure I get everything here. Let's get this one at 2.75. And this surface here, we need it. We can put it in. Quarter inch, 1, 3. That's about it. I think that's pretty much all we need to know. Come over to the text box. Click inside here. Type in your name. Highlight it. Drop down. Choose. Hit OK. Click inside of that box. Highlight, drop, select, hit OK. Come over here, select an area, type in material, colon, space, carbon steel. And you can put anything here. I'm just using the same material each time. Hit OK. Hit escape twice. Hold down your left mouse. Center everything up. And there you have chapter 4.3.